Hey, how's it going? John Dorsey with RejohnD.net. In this video, I want to talk about Motley System Pro's costs. Now, a lot of things that might keep you from wanting to move ahead is not really understanding the costs of what you're getting involved in. Now, anybody that's in business, one of the things that they know is that they must understand and know their cost of operation, their daily costs, their monthly costs, and their yearly costs. And that way they can budget accordingly for those expenses. And this is very important, so I don't blame you for wanting to find out what is this going to cost me, and more importantly, how much is what I'm spending. What is my ROI, which I can't control and no one can control but you putting in the work to increase your ROI and understand what if you're putting in the actions and going through the motions and doing the things you need to do to meet the ROI that you need to justify using a certain system, program, or whatever you are trying to use. So there are two options. There's the annual plan and there's a monthly plan. Of course, when you go with the annual plan, you save money over paying month to month. And as you see here, for the basic, it's $42 a month. You just bill annually, so you just take 42 multiplied times 12. As you see here, take 42, 12, and that's $504 today. That's what you would pay today if you want to go with the annual plan. For the professional plan, I'm going to get into what the difference is between these in a second. You take that, multiply times 12. That would be $1,500 today. And for the premium membership, times 12, $3,000 today. And that's if you want to pay for the plan up front. Of course, you'll save over paying month to month. Now, the monthly plan, as you see, the basic is $49.97. So let's look at what that cost is now. $49.97, 12. So that's $599.64, and I think the annual plan came out to like $504 or something like that. Alright, so the month-to-month plan for the professional 12 is $1,793, and I think that was $1,500. So you can see already, you can see the savings of going with the annual plan over paying month to month. Alright, so the premium is $299.97 times 12. That's $3,599.64, and what was the? I can't remember. What was the? So it says save $600. So yeah, it was like $3,000 even. Yeah, okay. So you can see there's definitely a cost benefit of paying for the monthly plan up front. I mean, paying for the annual plan. You're paying for the year up front compared to paying month to month. You save $600. That's if you was going to go with the premium plan, and that's a significant savings. That's $600 you can be putting towards, advertising, putting towards the business you're currently running. That's money you can be putting towards other aspects of your business, or even keeping in your household. So what's the difference between these three? All right. So as you see, with the basic, with the CRM, you get 1,000 contacts. With the professional, you get 10,000 contacts, and with the premium, you get unlimited contacts. With the blogging platform, the basic does not get access to the blogging platform, and the professional get access to one blog, and premium get access to 2 blogs. With the funnelizer, basic gets access to, they can set up 5 funnels with 1 custom domain. Professional can set up to 25 funnels with 2 custom domains, and premium can set up 100 funnels and 5 custom domains. Now, you might not understand what that even means. So basically, imagine if you had 3. Let's go with the professional. I mean the premium. Let's say you have 5 different unrelated products. So you can potentially set up 5. You can have 5 custom domains. So let's say you had a essential oils offer, and then you had a vitamin offer for like weight loss, or some kind of weight loss offer, and then you had another offer that was for the business opportunity itself, and then you had another offer over here that was for training or traffic, or how to do home meetings or something like that. So basically these are all related. So you can have custom domains for each of those, and then all those will be separate funnels, because of course your funnel will be separate multiple pages. So you need access to these different funnels. So just give you an understanding on what that even means as far as custom domain. Pro media storage. So you can upload videos, you can upload images to My Elite System Pro to use in your blog, use on your blog, or use in your funnels. And the basic only gets access to 200 megabytes. Now, if you've been around the internet a while, you know 200 megabytes is nothing, especially when it comes to videos. One video can be over 200 megabytes. So this is good stuff to have access to, because after maybe a couple of images, after you upload a bunch of images, that 200 megabytes is gone. For the professional, you get 5 gigabytes, and for premium, you get 25 gigabytes of pro media storage. So that's a lot of images and videos and other things that you can upload, ebooks and other content you can upload to benefit your prospects. Per profit products. Now, what these are 100% commission products that range anywhere from $1 to I think $497 is the top product for the per profit product, and all those pay 100% commission. So you get 100% of the profit. You don't get a percentage, you get 100%. So, but the basic does not get access to that. But only professional and premium get access to these 100% commission products. So that's something to consider when you are signing up, because these per profit products you can promote. Those already come up with their own pre-made set of funnels. All you have to do is just drop traffic to those, and you can use those to fund your advertising, fund your other businesses, fund other things that you're doing. So that's really a powerful thing that you might want to leverage. So premium mentorship training. All the rest of these, as you see, only the premium membership you have access to. Live chat support and MLSP training vault. So all that is just premium level stuff. And the training vault goes back, I think, 10 years. So that's like 10 years of training in that MLSP training vault. So we're talking thousands of various training on various things, various aspects of marketing and mindset and stuff like that. So that's it. That's the cost of MLSP. Of course, there might be some back end costs, like if you want to have an autoresponder, but you don't need that right away, because within MLSP you get access to 500 contacts. Not this is different. The serum is different from that. But you can have up to 500 leads within the MLSP back office. But beyond the 500 leads, you'll need your own separate autoresponder. So that might be an additional cost. Another cost that might be, let's say, a quote hidden cost would be, like I said, I already mentioned the autoresponder, and the domains might be another additional cost. So like these domains that they're talking about here, you'll have to buy those. Not through MLSP. I think you can buy through them. I don't, because I buy my domains on my own. But you can go to sites like Namecheap and GoDaddy and get domains. So that's another back end cost. And domains are dirt cheap. That's nothing compared to if you was running a brick and mortar business, you're talking thousands of dollars, but a domain name is, imagine a domain name is the real estate that you're going to put your business on, or your store on. Online, a domain might cost, on the low end, let's say $8, and on the high end, if it's a brand new domain that's never been registered before, maybe $16. So compared to a brick and mortar store, the land or the lot you want to put a store on, we're talking anywhere from, let's say, $5,000 on the low end to millions of dollars, or $1 million on the high end, depending on where the store is going to be located and what kind of a store it's going to be. So yeah, those might be hidden costs that you might want to consider. But other than that, these are the costs. Like I said, these are the annual costs. Multiply these by the month, and this is the monthly cost if you want to just go month to month. And all these, of course, you pay annually. If you cancel, you already booked for the year, but so you had a membership for a year. But any of these month-to-month ones, you can cancel your membership at any time. If you don't want to proceed and you think you're not getting the value that you think you should be getting, you can always just cancel these at any time. I don't recommend it because I'm gonna speak from experience. I've canceled my MLSP membership, I don't know, 3 times, 4 times, but yet here I am. I always come back. So I should be telling you something. So I'm gonna put a link below this video where you can get registered for one of these packages, and I'm gonna give you access to the 10-day $10 trial. If you got some value out of this video, like it, share it with somebody that will get some value out of it, and also I encourage you to continue being greater than average. I'll talk to you again.